Welcome in, everybody. Oh my gosh, I'm so dark. So dark. Let's see if I turn that on. I'm super bright on my chest, but not my face. Scoops this back here. Oh, I can aim that towards me a little bit. I guess that's a little bit better. Not super blinded. There. Guess that's not terrible. Manageable. Manageable. There. Now you guys can see my face. Hello, happy Friday morning, everybody. We're gonna be playing some more Elden Ring this morning. I'm scared! But Aeolus is here to help me. We're gonna eventually start up the multiplayer and everything and run around and see how many times I get invaded. I anticipate getting invaded like immediately and dying immediately. So we'll see. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I hope you are gonna be along for the ride. Welcome in, Lightning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Alright, let's go ahead and jump over to the Elden Ring scene so you guys can see what I'm up to. Okay. Now, listen to the stream and let me know if the Discord audio is really, really weird. Hey, Burb, how are you? I see, like, the Discord audio is making this green warbly. There's a double of my voice. Thank you for that feedback. But if I mute myself, then he won't be able to hear me. Because the problem is, I can hear myself through your microphone. I don't, Burb, but Mr. Rebecca has his computer right next to me, so I guess his microphone is picking me up. There's not much we can really do about that, unfortunately.
I mean, I'll still hear you if you mute yourself.
You can hear me just like this?
I'm right next to you.
But that's not gonna solve the problem, because I can still hear myself through your microphone.
But then Chad will only hear you once.
No. You mean like if I mute myself on stream?
No, earlier you said that if you mute yourself, that solves the problem with Chad hearing you twice.
I thought it did, but it didn't.
Oh, okay.
No. Because I have myself muted currently, and I can still hear myself through your microphone. How about now? Now I cannot hear myself. Correct. But then I can't hear you. There's only one of my voice at this time. And yeah, he's using headphones. He's using headphones with like the attached microphone to it. You just can't hear the other person. Yeah, he muted himself or turned off his microphone settings on his headphones. Is there like in-game voice? No. Okay. Huh. So that's something we're gonna have to figure out, because that happens during repo too. Sensitivity or something? Testing. Testing, testing, testing. I can't hear myself.
Can you hear me?
No, like hardly at all. Like you're so soft.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you barely.
Can you hear me?
Barely.
Can you hear me?
Much better. But then now I can start to hear myself.
Can you hear me?
I mean, I can hear you, yeah.
Can you hear yourself?
Testing, testing. Very, very little.
Is that okay?
I mean, it's gonna have to be okay, yeah. Do you want me to unmute myself so you can hear me in Discord?
I mean, if that's not gonna hurt stream, then yeah,
Okay.
that'll be better.
I'm now unmuted in Discord. Can you hear me better? Okay. Okay, I think we have it. No, see, when I talk really loud, I can hear myself very clearly. Double audio.
Okay, so talk really loud and I'll adjust.
I'm talking at my normal volume. This is how loud I normally am. Okay, I stopped hearing myself double.
Okay, so talk at your normal volume again.
This is my normal volume. I'm talking at a normal, pretty normal volume. That was good.
Can you hear me?
Yeah?
Okay. I think we're good now.
Okay. Can you guys hear him? That's a good question, too. This game is so dark. Oh, it's nighttime, that's why. Okay.
Let's see. Bam.
Damn. All she does is talk and never shuts up. It's true. That's part of being a content creator. I'm glad you understand.
Hi, Burp. This is the other person.
What is this? Seaside Ruins. What is that place down there? I don't even know. I went down there accidentally, I bet. Do we need to go back to the first step and that's where we have to meet up?
No.
You can meet me wherever.
I can meet you right here.
That's where I'm at.
Okay.
So what do I do?
I will set down my sign.
Uh-huh.
And you will use the furrow calling finger remedy.
How do I do that? Inventory?
You find it. It was right there.
That?
No, you go back to the first screen. Go down. That.
Multiplayer?
No, it was right there. The item. Go to your inventory.
Yeah, that's what I've been on, but you said go back out.
No, it's that item right there.
Yeah, must be a delay.
So you have to use that item.
I will.
Okay.
There's a delay between what you see on stream and what I'm asking you in real life.
I know, I'm waiting enough to see it, but you backed out, and I didn't say to back out. I said that's the item.
You said go back to the main screen, so I did.
No,
Did you put your sign down yet?
I did.
So I'm gonna use this, and I push use. This is it. Touch gold summon sign.
Mm-hmm.
Summon you. Buenas.
There we go.
I see your ghost. Bye, ghost. Hi! Yay! Are you doing the YMCA? What are you doing? Hey!
Hey!
Huge.
So remember, I'm just following you, really. But don't forget to grab this weapon over here.
Which weapon?
Oh, you already grabbed it, right?
I grabbed it. How do I make it two-handed again?
You hold triangle and hit R1.
There. There's nothing. Oh, there is something right here, too. Oh. I didn't know there's a treasure chest in here, too. I got a great sword! I've always wanted a sword. Oh, I've always wanted a sword. Hold on, let's look at the sword. Hi, Michael. We got Lightning and Michael are both stream streaking. this dagger for this great sword. I have to have 10 decks. I got it. Everything's good. Heck yeah. Oh. What does this do? Nothing. Oh, but it's so slow.
It's a great sword.
Your sword is massive. Yours is like the Buster sword.
Let me see if I have the one I actually like to use. Hang on. I do. I'll stick to this one instead.
Nice. We go this way.
I'm so nerfed.
We are just going around this map. Because why not? Does it show where I am in the map? Oh, I'm down here. Oh, that's not the direction I thought we were going.
Ow.
Oh, I killed it. Oh, this sword is so much better than my axe. Oh, hello. No, Noivern, you can't attack us. Oh no, you took damage.
Oh no, too bad. Get good scrap.
Do I have to take off this tarnished, furrowed finger? Can I take it off?
You can.
That way I still have access to my flasks. I missed. Love that. Love that. Oh, scary guy. Ah! Ah! The javelin guide. I'm so slow with this sword. I want a not so slow sword. We need to be going. Yeah, we're fine. There's like a telescope over here. I want to go look at whatever this telescope is.
Do you have that grace over there?
No? Can you see which graces I have?
No.
Huge. Touch. Hi, Grayson. Speaking of Grace.
He's the best boy.
Hi, sweet buddy. How you feeling?
He's probably telling you he needs to go potty.
Probably. Hi, sweet boy. What's this light over here? What's this? Oh, we're getting close to my telescope. I don't know what this is. This looks scary.
Oi!
Oi!
You there?
Hey. Yes?
Could you help us out, Cully?
Where? Who's talking to me?
Only you can hear them, by the way, so you have to find them.
Yeah, you there?
Yes, me.
Stop pretending you can't see me.
I can't see you. What are you talking about? Are you a goat?
Why won't anyone look me in the eye?
Why won't anyone-
I'm not that ugly, am I?
Where are you? Hello?
Do you see the signs on the floor?
I see I can read messages.
Yeah.
Monster ahead. First off, following, then
Oi!
visions of friend.
You there? Could you help us out, Cully?
Attacking required ahead.
You? Yeah, you there? Stop
Did you attack
pretending
this tree?
you can't see me.
Attack what tree? This tree? Oh, there we go.
What'd you go and do that for?
Oh, hello.
Oh, yes.
Oh my god, it's a monkey.
I remember. Some clod turned me into a tree. You were just breaking the spell, weren't you? Thank you.
You're
The
welcome.
name's Bok. I was pushed out of the cave. Told not to come back. Not ever. Then I ended up as a tree.
It's a monkey.
Lucky you came along, really.
He's so cute.
Oh, what a shame. When they threw me out of the cave, they took everything I owned.
Aww.
And so this is all I have to express my thanks. I hope you can forgive
Can I
me.
give you a dagger? I got a mushroom.
Or if you can afford to wait for a while, I could sneak back into the cave and bring back something of actual value.
Oh, wait.
Then I'd be of some real use to you, I reckon.
Heck yeah.
Right. But I'll need a moment. I'm frightened of them. So I have to gather myself.
Okay.
My knees start knocking, just thinking about that god-awful cave on the shore.
Cave on the shore? Cave on the shore? What cave? I don't know. There's a camp of bad guys, I'm guessing. I'm guessing that's what these guys are. Oh, is that my telescope over there? No.
You passed the telescope.
But where is it? I haven't seen it.
We were next to it over here.
Am I blind and I can't see it? That's not a telescope, that's a stick. Oh, that is a telescope. Use telescope. Is that gold tree where I'm headed?
At some point.
Oh, there's a bunch of gold trees. Oh. Well, now I'm super confused. There's a bunch of gold trees.
Well, the fun part is you want to go everywhere in this game. It's not a place you don't want to go.
How'd the prayer squares go for your wedding? They're good. We've made a whole bunch of them, so I've made a bunch of progress. And you can't really see that one. That's not a good example. That one's too dark for you to see on camera. So I've made a bunch of them. The wedding's not until November, so we got plenty of time. Get out of this telescope. Hello. I'm ready to attack those guys. They don't look that scary. They look like zombies. Lane ass! Two down. Oh. Three down. See, I can't get my character to aim at where I want it to go, and I stand next to a guy, and then it attacks the air and not the dude.
You have to aim it with your left joystick.
There's a scary guy on a horse up here.
Or you can lock on.
Yeah.
There's also a shiny bug.
There's a guy over here at this. Natural border discrimination or something. I got something, some item called ash.
Yeah, 'cause you kill those bugs and they'll give you ashes of war.
Oh, I thought they were the bugs that give refill my flasks.
They're different colors.
I figured since it was like bluish, it was gonna refill my blue flask.
No, I was grayish.
Right.
He sees us. He knows we're here.
He don't know nothing. Hi, Leisha. He hasn't seen nothing. Him see nothing. I'm stuck. Oh, him saw. Him saw. Him saw. Him saw. Him saw. Oh my god. Oh god, it's so big. Oh, he looks he's so scary. On the horse, he's friends. He does not look like a friend. Are you friend? Alicia says you're friend. Come back, friend. Ah! Not friend.
Ow. No, sir. No, sir.
Missed. Oh.
Oh, you hit me before I could
Oh, there he is. Alright, sir, can you stop moving so I can attack you, please?
He's on a horse.
Oh, I need him to stop.
He left.
Oh, bye. Oh, there he is. He teleports. That's unfair. He's coming back. Come back. Wayne ass. Oh god, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Bye. Bye. Ow.
He throws his horse at you.
That's very rude. But I don't want to
Sure
fight
it
on
is.
my horse.
You can't.
I gotta go get my stuff though. Alright, so how do I have to resummon you? Right?
Mm-hmm. Same place.
Same place?
No, I can go to you if you need me to. Hang on. You spawned at the new grace you got, right?
Yeah, it's called Ag Heel Lake North.
Yeah, I'll go over there.
Why is he so hard? Is he considered
he
a boss?
had a boss HP bar, yeah.
I know. Is he considered a boss and you're gonna not be allowed to be here anymore?
I am allowed to be here anyway.
It's only if we fight the tree guy.
No, the tree guy is for the area over there.
This whole place is the same, isn't it?
It's divided by regions.
Oh gosh, that's too confusing. Hi, Grayson, sweet boy. Do you need to go potty, sweetheart? Hi, Shadow. Ooh, I got a chain-draped tabard. Tabard. And Ash of War Determination. Usable in all melee armaments. Grants affinities and skills to an armament. Good morning. I can't use it. Why? Minute? Oh, heck yeah. Oh, I'm heavy. It goes to heavy load. Does that mean I'm encumbered? But it says I can carry up to 51.4, and putting this clothing on makes it 38.8. That doesn't seem very encumbered to me. But this increases all my numbers like crazy. We're gonna do it. Absolutely doing that. Ready. Ready to roll. Oh my god, I'm so slow. I can't roll like crap. Cool, 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 cool. So how do I make myself less encumbered? but I want that. Strength and endurance. Endurance, okay. And then if I'm using the great sword, how do I add an armament to it? Oh, I can't. I have to do it at the table, right? Your audio turned off, by the way.
Sorry. You'll slowly come across doing all those things.
Okay. Alright. Inventory. I'm gonna use my finger. See it. Nope, that's resting. That's literally not the button I meant to push. Oh my god, I hate triangles so much.
I'll move it. I'll move it.
No, you're fine. I got it. Oh, I have to increase my death count. You're right. You're right. You're right. There we go. We're up to 7. And low. I'm gonna try to single-hand this. Hello, I just want my runes back.
He's not gonna be there right now.
Is he only a nighttime boss?
Yeah, his name is Knight's Cavalry.
Oh. I'm so slow, I can't even run to catch up to you. Don't mind me. Wrecked. Where's my stuff? There it is. Hooray! I got my 1,000 runes back. Hello, sir? Oh, hello. This dude just hit me. Oh, ow. This dude was hiding behind me. Ouch. I got a bunch of bolts. I'm guessing those are for a bow and arrow.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, okay. Uh-oh, he's there?
He is. That's a different one. Not the same one.
Oh. I don't like him. I don't like him. He doesn't like you either, apparently.
He does not.
We got him off the horse! Yes! 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 Die! 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 Got him! Yeah! There's literally nothing on him?
What about the horse?
Can I
Horse is
keep
still
him?
here. No.
Is the horse friendly?
No.
Bye, horse. Closer. Oh, you can't hit me. Unacceptable. Oof. Smoldering butterflies. Oh my god, what are those giants?
They're carrying a carriage that has a chest in it.
Oh. So we're gonna be... Is there a grace over here?
I don't know.
Before I attack them and lose all my stuff?
I mean, there's a grace where we came from.
Oh my god, those guys look so terrifying. They're so
They
big.
only look a little scary.
They're so big. Oh, who are these guys? I killed this guy. Sorry, I'm killing your slaves. Sorry, I'm killing your slaves.
Oh boy.
Killing the slaves, don't mind me. Plunder. Pillage. 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 They are unbothered. Be wary of Mimicry and short Strong foe ahead. Mimicry? Oh, so they're not scary. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. I can't open it.
Because they're moving. We have to stop them.
That's not how opening treasure chests works. Kill this guy first. Sorry, sir. I'm killing all the slaves. Uh-oh. Sorry, horse. I'm so much better not two-handed. Dismounter weapon. Holy heck. Wow. Erd leaf flower.
We have to stop the cart.
Come back. Oh, jeez. Gee, Willikers. Oh, oh, jeez, ow. Oh no, you touched him. He's gonna roar.
He's gonna jump.
My character won't jump?
No, I said he's gonna jump.
I know, I tried to jump when he jumped.
Ow. He smacked me around.
Swipe. Swiper, no swiping.
He's jumping.
So slow.
Ow.
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 Ouch. 69 health, nice. Get him! Yeah!
I don't remember if we have to kill them both, but go and try and open the chest now.
Did it! He has a big boy shadow. So not all bad guys have items to pillage?
Not all of them.
Great axe. I don't want no stinking great axe.
Why not?
There's a dude. I'm gonna go swipe him. Oh, I missed. We love that.
So you hear that sound effect, right?
Which one?
The one that goes toing really loud.
No.
Okay, it sounds like this. I'm gonna backstab this guy.
Yeah.
So when you hear that, when you're attacking enemies like this, it means you break their poise. And when you break their poise, they are stunned for a few seconds. And they won't hit you. And if you get in front of them, and then attack them with R1, you deal a critical hit. And it'll deal more damage.
Old aristocrat's cowl. So I should be trying to get behind them at all times. Get their booty.
Yeah. If you can, yeah.
I thought you could only get the ding if you did the sneaky sneak.
No. Like, you can see how I'll just spin around him, get on his back, and then he's out.
What are these ruin fragments? Because I have a bunch of them now.
There's gonna be a lot of everything around. You'll learn.
I'm gonna get him.
Hopefully.
I didn't get him. Ow.
That one. And then you get in front and you do the same thing, but from the front.
Oh.
Easy peasy, right?
I thought I got behind him, but then it didn't do anything. There you go.
If I have him on the animation lock, you can't do it. And vice versa.
No, there was another dude that I was doing from the side. Pillage corpse.
Oh.
I wish the game would automatically pillage for me. I'll get this guy. Yeah. Got it. Bonk. Are we being evil because I'm killing slaves? They haven't attacked me. I'm just killing them.
I mean, you're just getting their money.
What? There's the. What is that? What is that? Crab? Is that? That's a crab. That's not the turtle. That's not the turtle that I was referring to. That's a giant ass crab, though.
Oh, that guy over there?
Yeah, that's a massive crab. That's like Tomatoa from Moana.
They're very scary.
I don't like it. There's more people over here. I'm out of heals, by the way.
That's not good.
No, it's not. Oh, they healed. Oh, they refreshed. Heal.
Some monsters will refill your heals.
Heck yeah. Oh, giant horse.
Oh, I mistimed that. That was on me.
Ow.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
You're like, I see you trying to attack my girl.
I got a deny.
Don't you horn
Hey.
me. Ain't no using your horn around here. Absolutely not.
He was just gonna call for backup.
Absolutely not. No tooting your horns around here. There's more people over here.
Hang on a minute.
We've wandered around a whole bunch of area, and I've yet to find a place. Sorry, peoples. Sorry, peoples. My flask refreshed.
Yeah.
But where's... Leisha Marie said that there's so many graces and I have yet to find one. We are so far away from the other grace. I'm gonna keep looking. Keep going, there's more people.
Get him.
Come here, sir. Hey, don't set me on fire. That's rude. That was very rude. I see a grace. I see a grace. I see a grace.
Get it.
Touched it. So, since I'm with you, I can't use it.
Use one.
I want to use the grace.
You want to use this grace, like sit on it?
I want to level up.
Oh,
Can I not do that when I have a friend?
you can now.
No!
Bye bye.
But now I have to use the item again. Aww. Let's see. Let's level up. I need, you said endurance and strength. Max equip load. That's under only endurance. If I do strength, it's only attack power.
Strength will sometimes give you equip load, but you need to put like 3 points into it for it to reflect. So endurance is the way to go, preferably.
Oh, it gives me more stamina too with endurance.
Mm-hmm.
Heck yeah. Alright. Spin those runes and level up. I'm level 16!
Congratulations.
Thanks! Okay, so now I gotta use the item again. Item craft. I'm gonna craft some more. Because I can. I want to be sure that I have more than enough. There. I have 40 of them now. I'm going to use this. Finger remedy effect will be nullified. What does that mean?
It means it's still active. You haven't died, so you don't have to use another one of those items.
Oh. Do I have to go back to the other grace, though?
No. I'm coming over to that grace, and I'll put my sign, and you'll summon me there.
You hear that, chat? I haven't died. You guys hear that?
I mean, after the first death, you haven't.
I don't know what you're talking about. I haven't died. What you mean?
The nice cavalry?
We are at Agfield Lake South. What are you talking about? That was an entire night ago. All the people are back. Since I sat down, all the people are back.
Let me do something here first.
I am surprised that we have not been invaded. Is it because I'm so low level?
You're still very low, yeah. My sign is down. And I put it right there.
There it is. It finally popped up. Do people ever just put their summon signs down and just hope some random person will summon them?
Yeah,
How do you do that if you have a password?
you take off the password.
Ah.
Or you put in the password of a group that you found online that is dedicated to helping people, and then you'll be summoned to help people.
Yeah. Yeah. Give me your meat.
Oh, they're fighting over there.
Who's fighting? Oh. Well then, we'll just let them have some fun with that. We'll just let them have some fun with that. Just gonna enjoy the show. Just gonna enjoy the show a little bit.
We're joining that. Get over here.
Oh my gosh. Missed. Love to see that. Love how I'm attacking whatever I can, and it's not. Hey, don't you touch me, Mr. Orc. What in the Lord of the Rings is this? Hey, excuse me, sir, I'm helping.
This is not the enemy of my enemy is my friend.
Talk about rude. Just trying to help him. I got another sword. Okay, and a club. Alright, let's look at this sword. What did I get?
Yeah, go ahead and check it out.
I got a straight sword.
You're gonna want to try and equip every weapon you get so that you can see how it feels and it fights, and see if you like.
Also got a dismounter, which I can't use at all. And the great axe that I can't use. It requires 30 strength. Holy jeez.
It is a great axe.
Oh, damn. Straight sword. All the numbers are red. That means it's not as good as my great sword.
Not necessarily.
It does make me medium load. I'm not heavy anymore.
And it swings differently.
Oh, it's so much faster. Yeah.
Because it's not a great sword.
And stab you in the gut.
I prefer great swords anyway.
Yeah. Okay, where am I going?
I'm just following you. I don't know.
There's a circle to the south. Go look at the circle. I don't know where I'm going, chat. I'm just wandering around. There's more orcs.
Well, I'm gonna wait for Leisha to join us. To take on the big boy. The big boss.
Yoink. Got him. Didn't get him. Yoink. What big boy? The crab?
No, the big boss. The area boss.
I didn't know there was a boss. I haven't found any fog.
Well, this is not the way the boss says. It's through the gate.
Oh yeah, I'm looking for southeast. This way. This way. That ghost is fighting somebody. No touching, my friend. No touching, my friend. Oh, no touching me either. No. Why are you on the high ground? Get off the high ground. I was trying to collect some items I saw. Ooh, there's one. Glass shard. Rainbow stones. Can I can't climb through there. Is there another entrance into these rocks?
Where are we? Oh, we're on this side.
'Cause this looks like there's something under there. I could go in there. Ooh, an item. What's this? Crab eggs. Yum. Hello, sir. Get off that high ground. How's the game? Dragon is going alright so far. I have summoned my significant other to help me.
This newbie?
To help this newbie girl.
Oh, I meant I'm the newbie.
You're not a newbie. He's not a newbie, but he also refuses to do anything that I am not already starting to do. He's like, you have to do everything.
I'm just like the AI companion.
I need to go east a lot. So that's apparently not the direction I meant to go. Now we can start going south. That way. Do you have your horse?
You can't use it when you have summon players.
Aww. Sorry, little kangaroo. No, come back, little kangaroos. Ooh, sheep. 2 for 1. Nice. No, come back, sheep. Give me your meat.
Poor sheep.
If you collect an item, do I get it too?
Nope. Well, we can both collect the same item as long as it's in the world. and not a quest item.
It looks like this is the place. This is the circle on my map.
This is where you wanted to go?
There's a giant... Oh my god, what is that? What on earth are those? What in the...
Yes?
What in the caterpillars? Ah, there's one behind... Two behind us. Alright, I hate all of this. I need a grace before we do any of that. Oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Did we grab that grace or not? I don't think we did.
Kangaroos, come back! Don't jump down! Oh, man.
There's a grace. I don't know if you grabbed it, but it's over here. You probably did.
I haven't grabbed any grace.
Bit of a wall.
The last grace I grabbed was Ag Heel Lake South.
No, this grace is Seaside Ruins.
Oh, I got Seaside Ruins.
Okay.
There we go. It's not the most recent that I've gotten. Oh my gosh, more eyeballs. There. Okay. I think it was Seaside Ruins. Oh my god! Y'all are a mess. Okay. Oh my god! Stop. What are y'all doing?
Peer pressure.
If everybody else in Chad jumped off a bridge, would you do it too?
Maybe.
That's unfortunate. Alright, I'm gonna go play with these onyx. What did you start? A lot. What's this? Oh, I woke him up. Okay. Alright, so he didn't hurt me unless I hurt him first. Okay.
He will hurt you if you give him enough time.
It's true. Alright, Burb wants a dad joke. Here you go.
What do you call it when a pirate has sore joints? Arthritis.
There you go. There you go, gamers. Arthritis. That's a big bird. Flight pinion. So that is probably death if I climb down that wall. Alright.
So let me tell you something.
I don't know where you went. There you are.
So the NPC is gonna teach you this, so it's not really a spoiler. You see that wind?
Yeah?
When you're playing solo, if you're riding Torrent, you can jump into that wind, and no matter how high the fall, you won't take any damage.
Oh.
But you have to use Torrent. If you do it without the horse, you're dead.
What about that bug that's right there?
I mean, I wouldn't recommend fighting it because then you'll have to jump down. And,
That's why I was like, I don't know how to get back up.
I mean, this way.
That's definitely a dad joke, right? Oh, I almost jumped off. Alright, so those little worm things just live their best life. Noted. So many items. Yeah. Invaded! Oh no!
I think he's a player. Yeah, he's definitely a player.
I just saw it said invaded by somebody. these symbols mean. I got a blue symbol on my body. That's a big ass weapon.
So this is one of those players that created a low-level character, gave him all the equipment from his high-level character, and is invading other players.
Oh my god, I don't know what this is.
Because he has gear he shouldn't have here.
He has a big old finger weapon. I don't like it.
Sure does. One. Is he gonna keep dash attacking?
How many heals does he have?
Yes.
I only have 3, and I've used it.
Oh, he's heavy rolling with that.
Ah! Ow! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Oh, he touched me.
He has voice with that as the problem. And Jor, huh?
I'm freezing. Only half freezing. Hi, Aki. It's our first invader. Yeah, I'm out of heals. I have half health. Ooh, miss me. No, he healed. Oh, man. Oh, he full healed. Oh, that's cheating.
It's because you have no HP.
I'm sorry
Why?
that you're the one having to fight him.
I mean, it's my job.
Don't be afraid to block. You think I know how to use my shield, Aki? Kick. He's too fast. I can't catch him. No! Don't touch my friends!
He's gonna kill you. Run away.
That's a big finger.
I'm gonna cheese this one.
Shadow! Oh, he knifed. He sorted, or just, he did me. Bye.
Yeah, he did magic.
He did me.
I should have switched to my cheating weapon before that, but I wanted to take him honestly.
That's so rude. I'm just here as a baby trying to do baby things, and he killed me. Shadow, thank you for the 26 months. And how do I get my stuff back?
You just go where you died and pick it up.
Does it show me on my map where I died?
It should show, yeah. There's an icon at the top. Not on the map. No.
Oh.
I mean, it'll show up on the
oh
map
yeah, it
too.
shows on the map. Oh, it's not that far. Becca, remind me why I played this offline. Let's see here. Wait, can I
Most part
summon
of
you
the
and
range,
then get
isn't
my
it?
stuff back?
If you're at the Grace, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you have to use your item.
Oh, I have to use my thing again though.
But remember, you can craft them.
I crafted 40 of them.
Good.
Don't
Should have
worry.
enough for Leisha then.
We got a lot for Val. Once Val gets out of work, too bad she has to work all day. Imagine. Aki, I can summon you. Come on in, Aki. My level 16 character.
Are we at the same Grace?
Yes. Do you have to use one finger per person?
No.
You know that funny work thing you just mentioned? You're gonna skip work to come play with us? You're about to start a meeting at said work. No! That guy had a weird weapon. I've never seen a weapon that looked like a club but
He
turned
was
into a
cheating.
finger.
He gave his low level character the weapons from his high level character. That's what he did.
Is that like a DLC weapon?
No. That's a main game weapon.
There's my stuff. My stuff back. I didn't even see how many runes I had before I got invaded, but you said I don't lose anything besides progress.
No, when I died after getting invaded, I didn't lose any runes.
Oh, he shot me! Ouch! That was very rude. Excuse you.
Wait, I should have enough, because I don't want to...
Golden runes. Ooh.
I'm medium load. Yeah, I can use both weapons. I'll keep them both on.
Ooh.
Where'd you go?
What class am I? I think I'm a hero, right? I chose hero.
I don't remember.
Is that how I checked? No. I think I chose hero. I'm pretty sure I chose hero. Because I was afraid of adding in the magic stuff to do the astrologer. I considered astrologer. But I think I just chose that. How you doing, Mistra? Where were we going before we got so very rudely interrupted?
We were going to the bridge, so we were going this way.
The bridge? Okay. Yeah. Hero's good? Perfect. I saw a little video that described all 10 classes, and hero kind of vibed with me for what I think my playstyle might be. My playstyle is run in, attack, scream that I got hit, and then run away. Oh, Jesus. He's a big guy. He's a big guy, but he didn't last very long.
Oh, and another thing, you can use torrent to, if you're here by yourself, you can use torrent and jump, and torrent will jump really high and get...
Whee! Can I ask if your screen tint is okay? What does that mean? Screen tint.
Oh, it's because there's a lot of saturation in the display.
How do I fix that?
You gotta do it on the capture card settings, or in the OBS thing. You gotta fix the contrast, saturation, and all that stuff.
Game cap. Is it under the game capture stuff?
In OBS, yeah, you gotta. Where was it? I know I saw it.
As I'm looking at it, I don't see anything that I can edit.
Maybe it wasn't the capture software after all. I think so.
It might
I
be.
don't know. I don't remember.
My saturation is a bit out of place. Yeah, I have no idea. It looks very similar to what I'm seeing on screen. But that would make sense because I'm using the 4K capture software.
You can try turning on HDR again and see how it looks. Since you're outside now, you're not in a cave.
Okay.
And HDR in the game, not in the computer.
Oh. HDR in the game. Let's see here. System. Display. HDR on. Oh, I can adjust brightness and saturation. Max brightness.
You funny girl.
Max brightness. Maximum brightness is 1,000. Yeah, I definitely wanted it a little bit brighter. That seems good. So, oh, saturation is like for color. Oh, I can make it black and white. Oh.
No, like you don't want it like the colors to be too intense. You want it to be smooth, like look at my screen over here. See the difference?
I think it's because you're playing like directly from your PlayStation, and this is from the game software.
The capture card, yeah, but you should still be able to make it smoother.
That's about as smooth as I can make it. Is that any better? Is that worse?
It looks okay. I mean, if you like how it looks, I think it's okay.
I don't know. I think it's, I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to be looking for. I would normally turn it maximum brightness because I'm scared of everything. And the better chance I have of seeing stuff. What is this? We're going into a castle? That's a fog area.
It's fog?
On my map. Means I haven't found it.
Oh, okay.
But there's a statue here.
It's a statue of America.
It's a bit better, but no good, no worries. Hey, thank you for letting me know. I will happily take advice on things. Like this item. And there's nothing else over here. These guys look not very friendly.
They're not friend-shaped.
Hello! You missed. I'm an R1 spammer, don't mind me. Ah, don't touch me. Oh, I tried to use L or R2, but he was already dead.
Me. Do you?
Bridge of Sacrifice. What is that giant machine? Oh my god, that looks so scary.
Oh, I can't get to it. It has to be you. Because it's fog for me.
Fog for me too.
Oh, I guess we'll leave then.
So is that the boss meaning? That's what that means?
No, it's you have to summon me in that area instead of here.
Oh.
So you have to progress through that area first by yourself. Bring me over.
Yeah, that's fog. Cool, your friend is taking you through the starting area? Yeah! Is this... okay. Smithing stone. Oh, I need those.
You do?
Oh yeah, it's not letting me walk through it, even though I tried. Alright, running away.
And there will be a lot of places like that too.
But I thought the whole point was like you could just come along with me. Oh my god!
Yeah, he's still over there shooting, so you wanna come over here? Like get out of the bridge view
Ow!
and heal.
Oh my god. He gets... What is he doing?
He's trying to kill you.
That's very rude. I'm out of his place. I left his house. Oh, mushroom. Come back. It's a good area for grinding. I did see a part of a reel. I ended up stopping the short because of spoilers. But there was a way to grind a bunch of runes here at the very beginning as a brand new character. Fighting, I guess, a dragon or something. I don't know. I haven't found any dragon. And I don't care to find a dragon at this moment. I'm just collecting items. Kangaroo! Got him. Heh.
The Graysons.
Reasons? Oh, hi, friend-shaped. Hi, friends.
You should go say hi. You should go pet them.
I have pet a few of them with my axe.
That's rude.
I pet a few of them with my axe. Hello. Buenas.
That's rude and inconsiderate.
I pet this one with my sword. Huge. Don't worry, it's not here. It's in hell. Oh. 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 That doesn't sound...
That escalated quickly.
Yeah. I thought I left hell. The tutorial was hell. Was this another... More Graysons. Buenas. Sorry. Oh, don't touch me. Sorry, I killed your friend. I'm not sorry. Oh. Ow. Oh no, I knocked their... Oh no! Come down. Whee! Come back. What's this? What's this? Golden rune. Okay. Oh! This looks like a mama. This looks
It's
like the
Mama Grayson.
That was Mama Grayson. Ooh, more items. Oh, more Graysons. I did it! You did most of it, but I did it. You'll understand where is hell when you see the area. I mean, I've seen a lot of hellish looking creatures so far. Like the weird Tomatoa giant Moana crab, and the turtle spider, and the piranha plant in the water. That's why I'm not swimming. I'm staying.
Those guys are babies.
I'm staying away from the water if they. Oh, what is that?
It's a big boy.
What in the Cthulhu's best friend is that? Ew, I'm gonna heal.
I generally...
Invaded!
You sure were invaded.
Oh,
I'm
no.
switching to my strong weapon.
There he is. Oh, he's gonna shoot something.
No, he's just buffing.
Oh. Recusant Kelana. Hi. Hi. Are you friendly? He's friendly.
No. He's baiting.
Chase the Bro does not like that item. So he's a wizard. He's dishonest.
He sure is.
Sorry, not sorry for attacking you.
That's the thing there. It's a roar build.
So,
Stay away.
are they also a cheater?
Technically.
Hello, bad guy. He has Grey Roll Roar before you don't get hit. Okay. I'm just gonna stay back here. Why does his number keep going up? Does that mean he's increasing his level?
He has regen on, so he's healing.
Oh. It debuffs your defense and attack power. Okay.
He's also kind of lagging.
I'll just stay over here. Will that mean he's gonna disconnect? Don't shoot me. I was gonna try to wave. Oh! Oh, that didn't come near me. You did it! Yay!
He thought he could come in here with endgame shit. Excuse me, chat. Well, I have endgame stuff too. I'm just not trying to be a cheater.
Yay!
Like I said, there's very few people in this game that know how to dodge that. He was not one of them.
Thanks, my love.
Sorry, Shadow. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna lose my mod status.
We're in an area of the map that is like grayed out and spooky. I just stayed away.
As you should.
Ooh, more Graysons.
Grayson would be very upset if he knew what you were doing to the other Graysons.
2 for 1. Ow. He bit my arm. That's okay, I deserve that. I deserved it. Grey Roll Roar is cheater. Unlikely you may know a girl that that can help you keep it. Ha! It's true, you do know a girl that will help you keep your mod status.
Oh, well, thank God. That's a huge relief.
Yeah, Alicia will keep you protected, don't worry.
Oh. No, she won't.
So, Mistra, we are, this is obviously is the title says, I'm a first-time Souls player. I've never played a Souls game in my life. This is not my style of game. But we are big charity fundraisers, and the community fundraised $25,000 for St. Jude. So I said I will play Elden Ring if we can hit that 25,000 milestone, and so they did. And
Am I encumbered? I am not.
now I'm here. I like that I can roll better than I was rolling. Now that I have changed weapons.
Yeah, okay, everything works. Okay. I'm
Oh,
actually
oh,
gonna
oh.
change some talents.
Pumbaa? Found a Pumbaa? Ah! More Pumbas? Lump of flesh. Okay. Okay. I'm normally a crochet artist or like a cozy game, RPG story rich type game. I do a lot of Mario, Zelda, Spyro, Stardew Valley, that kind of stuff.
Those on.
So this is not my normal type of game. We are a family-friendly space. I work with kids with special needs, so I like to have a accessible, accommodating, and welcoming. Gold-tinged excrement. Ew, I got gold poop?
You did? Yum.
Funny you were talking about dragon and you found a dragon knight. I summoned them on accident. Oh. So I have a follow-up question about invaders. Since we were invaded and we were successful, is there a cooldown?
I don't know that there's a cooldown. I just know that you still get invaded.
Oh, giant bear. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, Winnie the Pooh's here. Hello. Ah! Don't touch me. Ah! Take that, Winnie the Pooh. Give me your leaves. That's a lot of Erd flowers. That means I can summon you a lot more times. What's up here? Why can't I climb the walls? Ooh, more bears. What is that? That's not a bear. What is that?
That's Mama Bear.
That's a big-ass monkey. That's like King Kong over there. Oh, no. I will collect this flower. Yoink. I want to go up here. I want to go to this graveyard. Can't get up there.
You can look at the map and see if there's a way up there.
I cannot look at anything because it's a gray area on my map.
Oh.
I haven't found the map for this area.
Well, there's some ruins over here if you want to explore.
You will get invaded over and over if you stay on beginner-friendly area. Truth be told, most invade because they want shortcuts to a boss. I think your friend can tell you that. Oh. I assume people invade because they want to make my life miserable and they think it's funny.
Mostly.
I don't know.
Unless they're Chase the Pro.
Hello? Anybody in here?
Hey, there's a chest here.
Oh! I woke
It's
up.
Mama Bear.
I woke up a bear. I woke up a bear.
I got hit by said bear. Just throwing that out there. Well, that was scary. That's pretty crazy.
Stay in your
Goodness.
lane. I just wanted to take your lilies. Oh, he's not staying in his lane. Oh, he's not staying. Oh, he's not staying. Oh, he didn't stay. He came out. Ah! I'm bleeding. Run! I stabbed it in the butt a little bit.
Oh, it doesn't heal me if I'm hitting a PvE.
Come attack me! But don't really attack me. Ah! Oh, 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 ah! Hi, Tyler.
We killed up, so she's very upset.
You roared at me. If only my yelling could also attack as badly as your yelling does. Don't try to hug me. Oh, this is a dead body. It's fine.
That's good. That's good. Go here. Like go away. Like run away and heal. Right? Oh.
Ah! See, I come in, I can do 1 damage, and then I get hit and have to run away. You could do what the cheaters try to do with the war build. Stab, 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 stab. Ow! Ah!
Run.
Yoink!
Oh, she's gone. Bye, mama.
Oh! First off, look carefully. I understand. Beast blood. Hefty bone.
No, I forgot that's how you get that. Okay.
I
Okay,
was
so
just
back
in
to
here.
that chest.
If only I had a giant butthole. That's fair.
Butt space hole, not butthole.
It's not technically magic. 2 more smithing stones. Ooch. I'm gonna get more of these lilies now that I'm not being attacked by a mom.
Did you get the poop?
Ooh, there's a cavern down there. What poop?
There was a little poop laying around here. You probably picked it up already.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything else. Is there anything over here? No. There's a mushroom. Look at that. Alright, so I don't have a torch, so is this gonna be dark?
I see light down there.
Hello, Wayne-ass. Ah! Stupid ghost. Got a treasure chest. What? I got a axe talisman. What does that do? Enhances charge attacks of my axes, I'm assuming.
No, if it just says enhances charge attacks, then it's just charge attacks. It doesn't have to be just an axe.
Can you wear more than 1 talisman? I don't have the slot for it.
Eventually.
Technically not magic, just become a dragon. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know. I'm still trying to figure out what I want my character to do besides survivability. That's one of the main things I want is survivability. Boomba! It's for all weapons. Hey-ya! Dadgum. Poor Boomba. See, I can't tell if there's any races nearby because my map doesn't tell me nothing.
I think there's gonna be one if we keep going that way.
Which way is that way? The way we're facing?
The way you're going, yeah. There's stuff here, Brad.
I can't remember. Ooh, there was an item here. Root resin.
There we go, this way.
Using circle versus X. All my buttons. I'm just button mashing. You can beat the wall. The Wall of China. Is it sunrise or something? Because it is bright orange over here. Hi, Graysons. I missed. Very good. I missed again. Very good. Ow! I did miss. huge. I got another healing potion out of that.
Grayson's taking care of you, that's all it is.
Thanks, Grayson. Thanks for telling your cousins to protect me. Not gonna lie, if you get invaded by a wall invader, it's over. Uh-oh. Does that mean, like, they are so tanky that they're basically a wall? Alright, we're back at the weird Cthulhu ball.
I think I see the Grace.
I'm coming. I'm just getting all the items. What is that? Level 21. What was that?
What level 21?
I saw a red line and it had a 21 at the bottom. Maybe it was you?
Maybe. Maybe you saw a monster taking damage somewhere.
Hooray! Ooh, more items. Yoink, yoink. And you had said that carrying items does not affect my...
No, it's just what you're wearing.
Nothing can hurt them? Hate that. Can't go that way. Alright. Oh, Grayson, did you tell your cousins to protect me? Thanks, buddy. My sweet boy. I have 3 dogs. And one of them is a husky mix. What is this ghost doing over here?
Go ask him.
What you doing over here? He says ... The demi-humans wax wroth, now their mother's been taken. Where are you, Lord Kenneth? Kenneth? The night, bedeviled by blood. I didn't know I could talk to the ghosts. There's another ghost
Some
now.
of them.
Grace ahead. Oh. There's a Grace ahead, apparently. There's a bad guy to our left. Oh. And right here. Hello. Oh, I came up here to fight you. You don't know.
Maybe there's another one up there.
I missed. I missed again. Ow. Ow. Oh, God. Ha. Ha. There must be another one because I didn't get my...
There's a merchant.
Open for business. This is a big white light. I can't do anything with it. What? Their survival rate is higher than cockroaches in a nuclear disaster.
Oh, that's because I think he's just further up.
Oh. By the way, brother, if you see this, don't let her open that one chest. If you know, you know. Bird.
What is a fun chest to open?
Ah! Fell down. Give me your body. I got an egg.
I think he's over here, actually. He's not where I was going.
Is it a mimic? Because I know about mimics. I've played Dungeons & Dragons. Oh, Banfield is calling. Hold on, chat.
They're checking on Grayson.
Hello?
Oh, he's right here.
We are good. That was just the vet checking on Grayson. I had to take him into the vet yesterday for a procedure, and he is doing okay now. Ooh, a fireplace.
He's right next to me.
He is. I'm chilling.
Good boy, Grayson.
Ah, welcome, dear customer.
Yes,
buddies.
right this way.
Jobbers.
Right this way.
Hello.
Welcome,
You're a best
valued customer.
Come trade in our wandering
Come.
emporium.
Trees. Ice, I'm hungry.
You're so hungry. Alright, what can I buy from you? That's an expensive finger. Festering bloody finger? Attempts invasion of other player's world. Ugh. Sliver of meat. Beast liver, lump of flesh, lilies, arrows, a hand axe. Ooh, more cookbooks. Buy the cookbooks. Smithing stones. Buy all of those. St. Trina's arrows, bolts, riveted wooded shield, and a blue gold kite shield. It... Oh, it does tell me. Oh, but it's so good. Should I do it? I don't use shields very well. We should get the shield. Okay. I attempt to use shields, and I fail miserably. What can I sell to him? What the voice was that?
Thank you.
He did, but he sounded like a demon. Oh my god. I could sell some of these golden runes. Do I use them for anything else, or just to sell to merchants?
You can use them and they'll give you runes.
Yeah, I should know if I use them.
Beautiful.
I'm beautiful? Thank you. Thank you. This merchant's hitting on me, guys. Here. The rubbish? I'll sell these. There. I'm gonna get rid of my rickety shield, that's for sure. Should I can't use this item for a very, very long time. I don't even know if it's worth me holding on to and keeping. That's actually, it's a C weapon versus mine are both D weapons. What I'm currently
But
using.
you want to make sure that the C is and the stat that you're putting your points into.
It's strength. The club. But it doesn't do nearly as much damage. But it has a C instead of a D. Oh, you're the one calling me beautiful. You're tricking me. Oh, I don't need to buy any meat. We're fine. Let's see. Equipment. Let's have a better shield. I have a large leather shield, a rickety shield. That's so much better. It's worse against lightning and magic, but that's fine. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's fine. I'm still a medium load. Yeah. I'm gonna sell this rickety shield. Here, sir. Would you like to buy my rickety shield?
How nice these.
I won't buy something, but I'll sell something. Here, have a rickety shield. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks, come again. What, did I hear my name? So my shield that I just bought doesn't negate lightning damage. So if you were to come attack me with your face, I couldn't negate you as much. Alright, So, we're in an area that I still have no map. So, and it's dark. It's dark. I cannot see.
At least you found the Grace.
I did. Well, I found the Fort Haight West Grace.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't there a closer one since there's a merchant here?
No.
It's so dark I can't even see. Ooh, what's it? That's the light for the merchant. It's so dark I can't see. And this is with the brightness moved up, chat.
We'll fix it before the next stream.
Is it because this is on? I mean, that is affecting it a little bit. For me personally, not for chat, but for me personally. Like,
You should have a torch. You don't have a torch?
I don't think so. Nope. I do not have a torch. If it's considered a weapon,
Yeah, technically.
I do not. I could buy one from Santa. If you see a yellow rock in the map, it's the map fragment. Yellow rock?
Do you see something in front of me?
Do I see something in front of you? I do. Yeah, I have a torch now.
I will put it on your shield hand. Like, don't take off your shield. The spot next to,
Oh,
and put it on there.
okay.
And then you can cycle through to it with your D-pad.
Oh, I can see.
And then there was light.
Does it run out over time?
If you use it to attack, it will end up breaking you.
Okay. Huge. Is this
So you saw what Mista was telling you.
about the map? Yellow rock? I don't see a yellow
So
rock in the
no,
map.
you have to open your map.
Yeah. Is it this thing right here?
That thing right there, that pillar.
Okay, that's the map fragment.
Yeah, we'll just stick to the path.
We're almost there. I also got, ooh. Yeah! There was a statue. Which means there's a bad guy over here. I hear a bad guy. I see a bad guy. Who's this? Y'all can't sneak up on me. I need more healing. Oh, here's one. Hey, I backstabbed him on accident.
What do you mean? That was purely calculated. What do you mean?
Hey, it refilled me too! Whoa. What's this? Praise the message. Thanks. Why is there King Kong over here? Alright.
But it's a bear.
I see the map fragment.
Oh, wrong side.
Map found. New map has been found. That's a big tree. Whoa. By the way, you should turn off the brightness a bit now. I should turn the brightness down. Ooh, the red thing. But I don't want to kill it because I already have full flasks. Uh-oh.
It's just blocked.
No, that's a boss, isn't it?
No. The white fog means only you can enter when you're on your own.
Oh. Okay. I thought it was always a wall of fog, like in a doorway.
Yeah, just remember this place. It'll be marked on your map, or at least it should get marked on your map.
I can mark it with a marker, right?
Oh, it's not gonna get marked until you in there, okay? But yeah, you can mark it, just so you remember to come back here.
I'm gonna mark it as a building. There we go. Okay, it's marked.
Okay.
Alright. You hope the saturation gets better? I will work on it.
We'll fix it. We'll fix it.
We'll fix it for the next Elden Ring stream. Because it very well may be something that I have to do, and I don't want to have to restart stream or anything like that if I have to change certain settings. Ooh, what's that? That's pretty. It's shiny. What's that? I'm gonna go touch it. Give up? I don't want to give up. What's this? What do I do?
It's just pretty.
Try pursuit. Pursuit? But ruins ahead.
We keep going north.
Oh, so that's not anything I need. Golden fog. Oh, okay. Golden fog is what I'm looking for a boss. Okay.
Let me put on a helmet. I don't have a helmet. Has a helmet.
Oh, I should also check the rest of my...
This one.
I have a
just
better
need to be
hat.
cautious.
I have a better hat. Well, no, maybe not. No, I guess I don't, because it lowers my poise. It raises my physical negation, but it gets rid of VS strike, VS slash, and VS pierce.
So that just means your resistances against those types of attacks.
It barely improves them for magic and fire, so I won't use that. I won't use that item. I have another Kaiden armor. It raises my poise, but it lowers a lot of other stuff. So I won't use that. Don't have any of those. Don't have any new shoes. Okay. What are you wearing?
This is the prisoner class helmet.
Oh. Your face looks very weird. I don't like it. Is this... Oh, kangaroos. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, I missed. Missed all of that. Very good. That's okay, Shadow. Yeah. We don't want a ton of backseating, but if I've got questions, you're welcome to answer them. Or if I make comments like I did about the fog color, that's totally fine. That's not spoilery. Because I have watched Aki play this game a little bit, and I watch every evening before bed, we watch Chase the Bro do his invasions.
You mean I watch and you look?
Yes. Aeolus watches, and I sometimes sneak a peek, and then I laugh when he says, "Crumbling Ferrum Azula?" Oh, I see a Grace, I see a Grace, I see a Grace. Give me that item, though. Yeah. Oh! Oh, I thought that was a bad guy. Okay. Hello, Grace. That's a statue. What's this? An item. I'm gonna touch it. Crimson Crystal Tear and the Flask of Wondrous Physic. Is that a blue one?
No. That's well, you'll see it.
This guy died? I touched the bloodstain, he drank a potion, and he died?
No, he was getting attacked while he tried to heal is what happened. He got murdered.
Oh, okay. I was like, that's a spoiler, isn't it? He just... Don't drink the poison?
The red bloodstains are the deaths of other players.
Sacred Tear Goblet. Improves Sacred Flask's potency. Bestows various special effects. Restores half of the total HP in Mixed Physic. Crimson Crystal Tier. I don't know what those mean. Like, do I use that? Do I have to... Do I equip it?
So come sit at the Grace and explore your options. I'm gonna abandon you here.
Oh no, bye. Bye. Hey. Bye.
Hey.
Flask of Wonders Physic. You can find crystal tears at the bases of minor Erd trees and elsewhere throughout the lands between. At Sites of Grace, you can mix 2 crystal tears in the Flask of Wonders Physic. This will allow you to create elixirs with various custom effects. Spring Stream Jumping. Jumping while on horseback near a spring stream to ride its current high into the air. You won't take damage from jumping into a spring stream while on horseback, even from great heights. That's what you told me. Alright, time to rest. We're gonna level up while we're here, too. Flasks. Increase amount replenished by flasks. Use a sacred tier to increase the amount of HP. I'm gonna push no on that because I don't know what that means. Use 1 golden seed to increase the number of flasks. Do I even have a golden seed? Okay,
Didn't you just grab one? No, you grabbed something else.
allocating flask uses. With this menu, you can allocate the number of uses in each of your flasks. We have a set total of maximum flasks used. Yeah, I still want the 3-in-1 because I don't even use the magic one yet. So we don't have to worry about that. Mix Wondrous Physic. With this, you can mix 2 crystal tiers. I only have 1 crystal tier. Sort chest. Worthless rubbish. The glass shard. Oh. Okay. Ashes of War. Oh. So now I could add Storm Stomp or Determination. So it lowers my damage when I do that, when I add an Ashes of War?
So, Ashes of War lean into 3 different things. And depending on a few things, it'll buff other stats or split its damage into 2 different types of damage and stuff like that, so.
Because I click on my straight sword, and then it raises the FP cost from 0 to 6, and it lowers my damage from 115 to 99.
But it also raises the bonus that you're getting, you see that? It goes from plus 15 to plus 21.
But that's only if I use the... Is that for any attack, or is that only if I use the heavy attack? Is that what the right column means, heavy attack?
No, my column is just the bonus damage that you get from that skill. I'm assuming. I'm not too savvy on all the little details, but I never really paid attention to them because if you really want the skill and it's a good skill, then might as well just use it.
Is Storm Stomp a good skill? And then follow-up question to that, can I take skills back after I've put them on an item, or are they there forever?
You can take them back.
Okay. Man, I might as well put some kind of a determination.
But go ahead and try it out. Like, go ahead and explore and try it out. It's your first playthrough, so it's the playthrough where you make all the choices and all the mistakes and you learn and everything.
What does this mean? Affinity granted. Standard or quality? Quality is what lowers the damage, but gives a boost. don't like that it's now less damage. That's weird to me. Okay, hold on.
But you have a skill.
No, that's using that. Hold on. No.
Remember when I said you have to two-hand the weapon or have your left hand?
Left hand with nothing?
Yeah.
I can't get it to go to nothing.
Then two-hand your right weapon. And then try to use the skill.
I did. I just did it. I stomped.
There you go.
Oh, I can still block with two hands. Oh.
It's not gonna block all the damage like the shield would, though.
Oh. But I can parry, I guess.
No.
Yoink.
Block, but you can't parry.
Let's see. Level up. I've got a little bit of runes. I'm gonna level up vigor. I can only level it up once. I can't level anything else up. Oh man. Okay. Well, that's worth it. That's worth it. So now when it comes to this, a sacred tier. Where's my items? Inventory. Sacred tier. What are these? Oh, those are like tutorial things. I don't care about that. The items. Crystal tier. Smithing stones. Sacred tier. So I do have one sacred tier. Then I'm looking for some golden something. I have gold poop.
No, golden seed.
Golden seed. I don't see anything about a golden seed.
You don't have one.
Then why is it telling me I could use a golden seed to do something if I don't have one?
You need to find one.
I'm gonna rest again. Hooray! Okay. Talk to Melina. Okay. 4K.
Spoken
Do
echoes
it.
linger here. Words of Queen Marika, who vanished long ago. If you wish, I will share them with you.
Yeah, sure.
Very well. In Marika's own words, my lord, and thy warriors, I divest each of thee of thy grace. With thine eyes dimmed, ye will be driven from the lands between. Ye will wage war in a land afar, where ye will live and die. Well, perhaps that might serve you in lieu of a maiden's guidance.
Okay. Welcome back.
Thanks.
Ads start in a minute and a half. I'm gonna see if I can go try to take Grayson to go potty.
The best boy?
Yeah. Is that silly? Should I have not summoned you and then leave?
Maybe.
Okay.
But that's okay, we can fix that.
Does that waste your items
No, those are not consumables.
for you just to leave and yoink out?
No, those items are permanent.
Okay. Okay, I will be right back. If I rest with the Grace, I'm safe.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna put my character at the Grace. I will be right back. I'm gonna go take Grayson to attempt to go potty and let you guys be in the ads for a little bit. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Hello, gamers. I'm back. Thanks for letting me take Grayson to go potty. Welcome back. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm gonna summon him back. And it's also now daytime, or morning, so it's much less scary. This place up there looks really spooky. Alright. What do you have to say? Try hole. There's a hole? Where's the hole? I can't hear you.
Some of those messages are going to be left by other players, and some of those are going to be from the game. So
Yeah, it just says
You have
something
to-
ahead, and this one says try hole.
so you have to not listen to all of them and know which ones are genuinely trying to help you and know.
Fair enough. Precious item. Yeah, I already got that. Something ahead. Yeah, I touched her as well. Got the item ahead. Alright. We keep on keeping on.
Where'd you go?
I'm at the beach. Ah! Oh, something came to... What on earth? Turtle? What in the baby crabs? Ah! Big crab! Big crab! Big crab! I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm leaving. I'm so sorry.
I mean, you killed his babies.
I'm sorry, Mama. I was just trying to walk on the beach and the crabs came out and attacked me first.
That's their home.
I'm so sorry. You have way too many legs to be a crab. Didn't like it. Kangaroo! Got it. Oh, you're a big guy. With a big old sword. This seems unsafe. Cut his ankle. Oh my god! He did not appreciate you cutting his ankle. He's gonna jump. Oh, so he's like the other dude we fought. Ah! Oh.
You see his head glow and hit R1. Get close to it and you hit R1.
Oh, I mean, I hit R1 a bunch, but I never got him.
But you have to be right on his face. If you do it from far away, it's not. Come and try it. Come and try it. Get in his face and hit R1.
Ouch! Made his eyeball bleed. I'm so sorry, sir. Don't swipe at me. Swiper, no swiping! Ow. Haha. Get sliced. Nice!
You did it.
High five, my love. Yeah!
Hey!
I guess that works. I hear
Should
something
work.
shimmering. The sound effect is coming from over here. Something is shimmering. Oh, it's one of those bugs. I already have full flasks, so I'll let you live another day. Hey, Pumbaa. Yoink. Wow! Heck you, Pumbaa.
Get him.
It's like the ones from Raft. They came and got me.
Get him back.
Ah! Ah, miss me. You're on lunch. What have you missed? So I've been invaded twice. Ow! I'm attacking Pumbaa. And both times we've had cheaters. They created low-level characters but gave themselves end-game weapons and items to use and abilities to use. So, I'm sorry, Quarf, he attacked me! I'm sorry.
Smurfs.
Smurfs, as one might say.
You're going south, that's where we came from.
I'm just killing all these Pumbas. Yeah. Okay, we go back. What is this? Why is it so shiny? What is this, like, glowing skull?
Attack it.
I will. Yeah! I got a golden rune out of that! Huge!
Good job.
Okay, I've killed some Pumbas. I'm gonna attack this item too. Another golden rune. Oh, that's so good! I'm gonna attack all the skulls that I see from now on.
The shiny ones.
This is so good. There's another one. Wow! You love this game? You have so many hours in it? What level are you? Or I'm assuming you've probably beaten the game a bajillion times.
Over 9,000.
Ooh. Oh, I keep forgetting that X is jump. And circle is run. Circle is run.
Hi down there.
Is anybody there? Someone who might
Bye down there.
be rescuing the great Kenny Fight
I will rescue the great Kenneth.
order and celebrated repudiator of the Pulse.
You probably have over 9,000. Hey, he was right.
Grant me succor.
Oh, they see me. Oh, I'm just standing here listening to the audio and the bad guys saw me. Well, so much for me doing a sneak attack. Alright. Don't you try and yell at me. Miss me. I missed you as well, but it's okay.
Wish I had a pot.
That would be great. Haha, miss me again. Ow! You currently
Hi,
trying
down
an RL1 challenge and hating yourself for it?
And celebrated repudiator of the Pulse.
I will come save you in a second. Scary. Why did I decide to do this by myself? Why did I decide to do this by myself? Well,
Like have fun?
wow.
And celebrated repudiator of the Pulse.
Alright, come back. Oh. Yeah, come at me. I want to save Kenneth. I'm so bad at tracking them. Like, I'm attacking, but they roll away from me. Ha! Get stabbed in the butt. Get stabbed in the butt. Now, where's Kenneth?
Hello? Is anybody there? Someone who might be interested in rescuing the great Kenneth Height.
I'm trying to rescue the great Kenneth Height.
And celebrated repudiator of the false.
Magic grease.
Poetry. Grant me succor.
Where are you?
Here. Well, I said no, not. He's not where I'm saying
Is
is.
anybody there? Someone who might be
Where is
interested in rescuing the great Kenneth Height. Servant to the true order and celebrated
There you go.
repudiator of the false.
Where is he?
Oh, poetry. Grant me succor.
One of the monsters dropped that. I don't need that.
Kenneth is a bit of a drama queen. Why did you give me a sword?
One of the monsters dropped it, and I don't need it. So
Be interested in rescuing the great Kenneth Height. Servant to the true order and
Where
celebrated
are you,
repudiator
Kenneth?
of the false.
Are you in the bushes?
Poetry. Grant me succor.
Kenneth?
Hello?
Hello?
Is anybody there?
Yes, someone's
Who might
here.
be interested in rescuing the
follow
great
me for a
Kenneth
quick
Height.
second.
Servant to
Oh my
the
gosh.
true order and celebrated repudiator of the
I wonder if he was
false.
invisible like the other guy. Where are you?
No, follow me for a quick second.
There you are.
Over here.
Hello?
Is anybody there? Someone who might
Sorry,
Still talking to
Kenneth.
you?
Yeah, he's still talking, saying hello. Is anybody there?
servant to the true order and celebrated repudiator of the false. Oh,
Kenneth!
poetry. Grant me some. Ah, you've come to lend me your aid, have you? Well, that's very kind, but
You killed him? Because you got sick of him talking?
help
That's
is
so
very much
mean.
appreciated. Even from unpunished. Despite appearances, nobility is no prerequisite to serving the true order. You might have heard of me, Kenneth Height. Next in line is the rightful ruler of Limgrave,
Okay.
untarnished. I would have a boon of you. I want you to take
What does
back
that
my
mean?
fort. It lies to the south, beyond the Mistwood.
I haven't even found
Knight
Mistwood.
Commander from Stormvale took it. A fool!
What do you mean you did?
From bad to
I
good.
thought I'm only in the
Simply
air
obsessed with
or
blood.
Urvale or something. Elm something.
Open up your map and take a look.
Oh, Mistwood Ruins. Look at that. So I talk to him again?
What are you waiting for?
A kiss
I
goodbye.
don't know.
Kiss goodbye. My fort lies to the south, beyond the Mistwood. Take it back for me. Oh, I see. You wish to know the reward. Fret not. The great Kenneth Height is known for his considerable largesse. The celebrations will be lavish.
Something is
indeed
large about Kenneth,
on the
all right.
dawn of my fort's
Ooh.
retrieval.
So to go find his fort?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go find his fort.
Are we?
I don't know where that is. It's to the south.
I mean, both Leisha and our friend Kirov here don't like this guy. Do you want to like this guy?
I love people named Kenneth. Are you kidding me?
Lord help me. Well, we're going the wrong way if you want to find. His fort is all the way down where we came from.
Yeah, I have a Fort Hate West Grace. Is that what it's where it is? Fort Hate West. Yeah. Oh, that's the place that we were at before. That was the fort with the big machine that was shooting at me.
We should not. Actually, no. Where the bridge thing was shooting at you is from the Bridge of Sacrifice, a little southwest from that fort.
Oh.
That's where you were getting shot at from. But that fort, we can go there, but Leisha loves this situation.
That's fine. I mean, we don't have to do all the little side quests immediately. That's fine. I just don't want to kill him. I want to befriend him. What does Leisha love? I missed what he said.
Kenneth?
Yeah, it's because you love Kenneth as much as I do, Leisha. So we're gonna... When I summon you to come help me, we'll go to his fort and save his people. He's your favorite NPC? More so than
Love.
Zote? More than Zote?
Not more than Zote.
Nothing's more than Zote.
If it's more than Zote, I'm quitting out.
I love nothing more than Zote. Fair. Good, good, good.
Good. That's the only right answer.
I don't know where you're
Unfortunate-
taking me.
Unfortunately, this is a torrent access point. I mean, we could go down, but I don't know that there's any point. There's really no point.
There's that scary bug again. Scary bug. Except maybe Dung Defender. Fair. Fair, fair, fair.
I'm just gonna take this route.
Yahoo! Oh, I didn't take damage from that. Oh, huge. Nice.
Down here, yeah, we'll go.
I didn't take damage, you guys. Thanks, Lightning, for letting me know you're still here. I jumped down and I thought I jumped to my death.
There's a bear fighting over there. I don't feel like fighting.
I see that. I thought I missed my jump.
Unless
and
you want to fight the bear.
That was a leap of faith. I didn't mean to make that leap. That's the thing, Quarf. Oh, bug! Ow! Excuse me, Dragonfly. Excuse me. That is very rude. Ow! Get over here, you stupid Dragonfly. Oh my gosh. Ha! Heck you. Great Dragonfly. Ah, another one! Oh, that entire fight's almost dead. There was like 2 guys that just died a minute. Nice. I genuinely did not mean to make
look.
that jump. What am I looking for? It's another dog. Hi. This is Charles 2.0. Charles 2.0 is being attacked by more dragonflies. All praise dog. Hey, Mr. Poop Bug, stop rolling away. I missed. Acquired new Ash of War Sacred Blade. Ooh.
Hi, Grayson. Bye, Grayson.
Oh, I didn't miss. Didn't miss. Ow. Ow. I kind of missed. I'm still kind of missing. There we go. Kind of missing, but also not. We're fine. These are better dogs. That's not a dog. It's literally a turtle. I don't know why you guys keep calling it a dog. I think you guys need to go back to kindergarten.
There's no text for turtle, I think, in the writing messages, and so players call them dog. They can only write dog.
Oh. Because it's a dog. Y'all are goofy. I'm gonna kill this sheep. Thank you. I'm gonna kill this bald eagle. Boink. And I'm gonna kill this sheep. Boink. Do I just get items or do I get runes from killing sheep? Let's find out.
I think you get
I got 4. Heck yeah. Alright. Ew. Boluses, whatever that is. Ooh. Neutralizing boluses. Break your cart. Be right back. No worries, Leisha. More sheep. Yoink. I'm still two-handing my weapon. There's another big scary guy up there. Is it the same one we fought earlier?
What big scary? Oh, that guy?
Yeah.
It's the same one, yeah. Well, not the same, but the same as in the same type.
Oh, I figured it was the same one. That maybe he respawned. What are the one-eyed big guys in Zelda called again? Starts with an H, I think.
Yeah, it starts with an H.
That's what he reminds me of. I don't want to be greedy or stop with that. Thank you. Oh, don't stomp on me. Don't swipe at me.
He's being funny.
Please fall on the ground. Thank you. Alright, stab his eyeball. He has so much health. Stab him again. Yoink. I missed. Okay. Yeah. I can stomp at you too, sir. I guess you got the thwomp. Jump. Ooh, nice. Stab. Yay! Did it!
It's easy.
So I stomped at him because he stomped at me first. It's only fair.
He didn't ask for permission.
Oh, that's the big gold tree that you were talking about.
Let me see, where are we? We're right here.
There's a finger reader crone. And there, I'm guessing this looks like a cave right here on the map. This little red speck.
Oh, we can't go that way.
Oh man. Can't go to the tree.
There's some ruins down here we can go to.
These skulls are not glowing. I'm guessing based on the yarn behind you, one thing, you have cats or you make things. I am a crochet artist, so most of my content is usually I make crochet things. But yes, I have an entire wall of yarn. I have 2 rooms of yarn, I should specify. We are a dog family. We've got 3 dogs. Grayson, Potion, and
now.
Lancelot. For now. Yeah.
We'll get a cat soon.
Miss Rebecca wants to get a cat one day. Ooh, there's a turtle. Another turtle. 2 turtles. Hello, are you friendly turtles? I think you're friendly turtles. What do you have to say? Dog ahead. Oh. Dog. Oh. Talisman ahead. So to speak, running. It's a gray. I can't go in there with you, right?
Unless you use the thing.
Use stone sword key. Sure. I have one of those. Oh, it's so dark. Oh, I don't like it.
You have storage.
I'm trying to get the torch. It's not. There we go. There's a bunch of turtles in here. That seems fine. Why is it always dog? This is fine. Do I attack the dogs? Or does that make me like a terrible friend if I attack the dogs?
Would you attack Grayson?
I would not. Treasure. This seems too easy though. Green turtle talisman. This seems too easy that they're gonna all attack me now as soon as I step out here. No? Okay. Alright. I have zero trust when it comes to video games. I assumed they were all gonna gang up and attack me.
You
What
see
is
that over
that? There's a pirate!
there? Sure. It is.
Are you a shaman? Like, what are you? You are riding a boat on grass. What are you? Why are you hiding from it?
I'm waiting for you to engage it.
Oh my god. Hello? Ah! Ah! That's a boss meter. That's a boss meter. Hey you, come back here. You can't take your boat away from us. Don't use your boat against me. Oh god, I used his boat against me. Are you riding his boat with him?
Me?
No, come back. Here you go. So how do you know where he is?
There's audio cues.
Oh,
You gotta listen to the bushes.
I'm just hearing a whole bunch of music. Ah! I got hit by a skull.
Sure did.
Oh my god.
He's halfway though.
Oh, that guy's. I don't know what that is. Oh my god, that's a big guy. Oh golly, I'm just. Get me out of this graveyard. Trying to find the bad guy. I don't hear any whooshing. Oh, I hear whooshing. There he is. Ow! I just got water. Miss me. No. No. Dadgummit, I'm just here at the very last second.
I didn't hear him this time. He's over here.
Ah.
I had no stamina to roll.
Ah. Oh, he missed me that time. He used up all of my heals. That's it. That's all I got. killing all the dudes that keep shooting skulls. There he is. And I see a big friend. I'm gonna go for the big friend. Ow! Don't scratch me. Hey, Austin, welcome in. Scratch me.
Get him.
No, come back.
Get him.
Ow. Got him.
There you go. Bye-bye.
We did it.
Have fun.
Death root. Skeletal militiaman ashes. Bye. Oh no, now I'm all alone. With a spirit calling bell, you can use ashes to summon various spirits. Summoning typically consumes FP. You can only summon one type of spirit at a time. You cannot summon spirits during multiplayer. Got it.
There should be a grace if you keep going west.
It's also glowing skulls. To the west. It is far too dark.
That'll make the grace easy to see.
No. Oh. No, you're not gonna sneak up on me, Mr. Skeleton. Absolutely not. You either? No. No. What's this? Thank you. What's this? Underground tomb ahead. I don't want that. I just want the grace. Oh, I see it. I see it. I'm coming. I'm a coming. Got it. No regret ahead. What's that mean? No regrets? I shall rest. Okay, let's see here. I have runes. Let's level up. I've got 8,000 runes, actually. Let's do health and strength. And... endurance. No. Let's do more vigor. Okay. Huge. We are level 20 now. You learned a little crocheting in high school home economics class. You didn't retain any of it. Oh, you didn't retain how to make a pizza. Hey, you know what? That's important stuff too. That is absolutely important. Ashes of War. Okay, so this one. Oh my gosh. Oh, it adds holy? Oh, but it makes... Oh, I have to... It's good for faith. Oh. That seems... I don't know what holy is. What's holy?
It's holy.
Is it a type of damage?
Yeah.
Okay. Because it makes strength and dex down to an E, which you said is the worst ever.
It'll make it a fate-based weapon. I don't think it'll be good for you.
Yeah. That's just that was the Ash of War that I got. Where are you?
Somewhere.
Where's your summon sign?
Hiding?
Where? I found it. You can't hide it from me. It's like prop hunts. I found you.
Mhm.
Huge. Alright. Do we want to try the underground, whatever it was talking about?
No?
Oh.
Yeah, we can. I'm good.
I was like, what you mean?
I'm scared.
This dude has a horse.
Alicia isn't here to protect us. I'm terrified.
Oh, they're all back because I rested. Heck me. I get to kill their dead bodies afterwards.
Oh my
Ow.
god.
I just got smacked.
Where'd this guy go?
Oh my gosh, it's like a reaper over here. Hello. Nice. And it says Thank you. I was wondering why I was taking damage. There we go. It says underground, but I don't see any under. Oh, I hear something shiny. Oh, it's the red one back there. We don't need that.
I don't remember that there was an underground. But we can look for it.
Say one of the.
Oh, we did it already. It was just.
It was the turtle one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hey, come back here! Thank you. Skull tried to run away from me. Oh. I assumed it was one about all the skeletons and stuff. Let's see. He's attacking something.
Sure am.
To attack. What are you attacking?
What?
Underground tomb ahead, that direction. But yeah, that's the one you said we've already been to.
Yeah.
Oh, shiny. Yes. Got it. You're so fast. How do you run so fast?
I have less burden than you, probably.
Oh.
It's just crazy because I'm also holding the other weapons in case we get invaded.
I have a question. Why is
Yes.
my character shining orange?
You have a buff?
Oh, it's gone now. I was gonna say, I don't know why I have a buff. Invaded by Oats the Raptor.
Where are you, miss? You'll be nearby.
Ah! There, that's you. Oops.
When I'm full HP, let's keep going this way.
Hey, Laisha. There's more skeletons behind us. We just want to run past them.
Yeah. I think this is
Ah!
an urchin.
I've been stabbed. I got shot with an arrow. Ow. Welcome back. We've been invaded again. idea where he is yet. Hello, are you friends?
Oh dear. You might, terribly you here as a customer.
Yeah, I can't talk to you right now if I'm being invaded. Sorry. I don't want to go across that bridge in case the invader joins us at that bridge. This guy shot me in the back. It was very, very rude.
Just looking for high ground.
But see, I see where he is.
You see where he is?
Well, on my compass, I'm assuming that's what that circle means.
No, that's me.
Oh. So invaders can find out where we are, but we can't find out where they are?
Mm-hmm.
Got it. Let there be clear sky.
We'll just wait for him, I suppose. Because he's probably waiting for us to... Guy over there. I wouldn't be surprised if he's across the bridge.
Joke's on him. So if he runs across a bridge, will he engage that guy?
It depends. Some monsters will hit Invader.
I didn't know if that was like a strategy where he could go get that guy and then make him come attack us.
I mean, he could bring it to us, but... It depends if he can...
Hey.
If he can draw his attention or not. Maybe this invader's AFK. Like he set it to invade and then AFK'd.
Huh. Because the last two
Either
invaders
that-
like invaded right in front of our faces.
Yeah, either that or he's hiding somewhere. Grab this.
There's lots of dogs over here. Well, if he's not gonna be here, I'm gonna go see what this merchant has for sale.
Oh.
Pickled turtleneck. Ew. And a short sword. Oh, there he is.
Pickles.
Oh, that's you. Jesus Christ, don't scare me like that.
Don't scare me like that.
Wait, there he is. No, that's a red bush. He's gonna be red on my screen. Right?
Yeah.
That's so confusing because you're bright red on my screen.
Because of the saturation on your screen.
Because you're bright red, and that terrified me. So I was like, wait a second, aren't
Fine.
invaders red?
Oh, it didn't fix it. Hang on. Oh, because I didn't put on the right one. It's this one. There.
Oh, thank you. What were you wearing?
I wasn't wearing anything. My yellow color, the natural. But now I'm wearing the trick mirror, so it makes me look like the host.
Ah. Well? This invader is being very sneaky or boring, or both.
I'm gonna put this this one on instead so we can kill this guy fast. He's probably waiting for us to kill him.
Oh, smithing stone.
Oh. No damage.
A pumpkin head.
He doesn't care that I do.
No. There's a grace over there.
Ow.
Look at that grace. Storm Hill. Perfect. Hello?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
I'm stuck. Hello? Hello? Anyone?
I can hear you. Oh my gosh, it's so dark.
Hello?
Are you in a
Can
pot?
you hear me? Help me. I'm stuck.
Are you in a pot?
Hello? Oh, my stars. I am
Alexander.
Please.
Can I help you out of this? I'll help you.
Thanks. Just give me a
Give me a good smacking from the rear.
Don't dally.
Alright.
No, there's no need to fret.
Yeah.
Very well. Give it your all, I say.
Strong attack.
I did.
There you go.
There we go. I used my less strong attack. Triumphant Delight. Oh, your friend?
Well played. Oh, that's mighty.
Alexander, my boy.
Well, I'm high. Thank you.
What did I get? Exalted Flesh. Thank you so much for giving me flesh. Mmm. Yum. That's the kind of gift I always hope to receive from a friend. Ew! There's another one of those Cthulhu tentacle dudes. Ew. Ooh. What's with all the flames? Like all the ashes in the sky.
These are leaves.
Thanks. Okay. There's another big boy over there. Not the worst thing that I'll get. Ooh. But. Ooh. Ooh. Ugh. Oh, we're back in the middle of town. Hmm? Where did you go? Oh, I thought you jumped down, so I'm glad I didn't jump. So glad I didn't jump. Hello. Hello. Easy, easy. Easy, easy. I guess this invader is just chilling. Do they get kicked out for inactivity?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
Because, I mean, honestly, I'm okay with him hanging out in this world if he doesn't want to attack.
He's probably all the way back where the boat boss was. Because if he spawned close to us, that's where I would think he would spawn.
Superhero landing? There's an item over here, but I want to grab it. How do I grab that item?
Where?
There's a tiny little item over there.
Oh, you do this?
I didn't know I could make that jump. Smithing stone. Mushroom. Now we're back to Limgrave. That's the place that I was saying that I thought we were at. Isn't there an item to send an invader home, or is that only for friends? Or is she
It's
thinking
only
of
for
another
friends. For invaders, you have to either kill them or die to them.
game? Got it.
But you can send friends home, like cooperate. I can send myself home too.
What was that?
What's what?
Spooky lightning strike? Does this game have environmental damage?
Yes.
Like the lightning will strike me?
If you get over there, yeah.
Oh my god, it oh my god!
Hmm?
No. Oh no. Oh no. Thanks. It's not a dude on horseback. Ooh, item. Oh, we're in somebody's home. Whoops. Sorry for waking you up. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry for waking you up. Don't you roar at me. Ow! Oh, the horse dude is angry.
I miss.
Ha. Oh, didn't get him. Don't you roar at me. Ha. I almost stabbed him. Nice. I didn't grab the item that's over here. What are you guarding? Why is this in the sky? Oh, I got a cookbook. Why is there a message in the sky? Whoa.
Mhm.
How'd they put a message in the sky?
Mhm.
Well, that seems weird.
Mhm.
Okay. What was that? Oh, it's a message. Okay. Ooh, there's a sword and a stone. What in the Excalibur is this? I'm gonna go touch the sword. It's a whole field of swords. Why are there so many messages in the sky right now? I can't read any of them. What do you have to say? Good luck. Oh, thank you. Good luck with what? Examine. Godric the Golden humiliated, having tasted defeat by the blade of Michaela, now on his knees begging for mercy. So it's just environmental story stuff. It's not a thing.
It's lore.
Is this Grace I've been to? I've been to this Grace. Yeah, I've been to this Grace. Yeah, because it's the place where I did all the sneaky sneak. Yeah, we're back to the beginning area where we started. Okay, okay. He said, I don't even care about being sneaky. I'm just gonna attack everybody.
Because I'm worried for the invader.
Gosh, everything takes so much health to kill. This is the place I never went into. Oh wait, no, I did go into this one. Who is honking their horn?
Thunder, you're getting thunder.
Hey, can y'all
Block that.
not? Can y'all not right now?
Fight him.
Did it.
Good.
I stabbed him with my R2. I did R2. Welcome back from ads. Thank you guys for sitting through that. Well, my follow-up question is if I want to end the game, does
You
that...
can quit out.
I can?
Yeah, you can quit out, and it'll kick the invader out.
Okay, that was going to be my follow-up question, because we're now past the 12 o'clock end time. We need to get some lunch and get on with the rest of our day. So I think now would be the best time to yeet ourselves into oblivion. And I will see you guys. I said I can't quit my game. It won't let me quit the game.
Oh, you can just force close it.
Well, I don't want to force close it, because I want it to make sure it saves.
Another way to make sure it's safe is to just die to mobs, so you can come over here, let something kill you, and then just grab your runes. You're right next to a grace. So you can just come to this grace when you die and just get your stuff.
But I can't use this grace.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, you have to die. The game will save when you die, and then wherever you spawn, you teleport here, and then come get your stuff up here. Easy peasy.
Stormgate.
Yeah, so we're gonna let them kill you. Okay, just stand right here. They'll shoot at you. Crouch behind you.
Hello?
Ow.
A few more hits, please. 2 more hits,
Now
please.
walk further back. Come walk back. They'll shoot you anyway.
One
And then
hit.
stand over here. Stand over here.
One
Let
hit
them
left.
still attack you.
Goodbye, cruel world.
That's just so the runes spawn a little closer to the game.
I gotcha. I'm not counting that as an actual death, chat. This is a tactical death because I can't close the game. I'm not counting that as an actual death. Just so y'all know, it's not going in my death counter.
Yeah, Invader never showed up. That's what you missed.
So gate front, that's right. Yeah, gate front. Traveling to gate front. Yeah, the invader never showed up. We wandered around for a while. We fought a couple big guys, and nothing happened. I get my stuff. Thank you. Goodbye. Don't shoot me, please. Thank you. And we're gonna come back over here and chill and rest and level up. Maybe. I don't know if I have enough for anything. I do have enough. Okay. More. More HP. More HP. Always more HP. We completed our followers goal. We got a new follower?
Mm-hmm. You didn't eat them.
What?
You didn't eat the follower.
I never got a notification that we had a follower. Why is the followers goal going off like crazy?
Yes.
What's happening right now? Twitch, are you good? Alright, we're gonna get on out of here. Oh, shoot. Here we go. Save.
Let's go. Let's go.
Why is it going like crazy right now? What is happening?
It's okay.
I don't even know what's happening. Let's get out of here.
Let's go.
Your lunch is over. We are all done anyway, so it is okay. We're gonna go grab our lunch as well. And
OMG, we completed our followers goal.
oh my gosh,
Let's
what is
go.
happening? Twitch, what are you doing?
OMG, we completed our followers goal. Let's go.
Why is the Twitch alerts going absolute bonkers? I don't even know what's happening. It's gonna keep going off.
OMG, we completed our followers goal. Let's go.
That's fine. That's fine. Twitch is... It's not even working. Twitch
OMG,
at all.
we completed
Like
our
I'm
followers
opening
goal.
up Twitch to see who I
Let's
can go
go.
raid, and there's nothing loading. Hello?
I opened it up. You want me to tell you?
I guess. It's like it's just on a white
We
screen.
have Ashley, MyStar, Jessica, Simpson, Kim Rasmussen.
Oh my gosh, my entire computer's frozen right now.
OMG,
Okay,
we
there we go. Now we're
completed our
loading up.
followers goal.
Okay.
Let's go.
My computer had just completely froze for a moment there. Okay. Let's...
OMG, we completed our followers goal. Let's go.
That is so annoying right now.
OMG, we completed our followers goal. Let's go.
Let's go hang out with
OMG,
Megan
we completed
ML,
our followers
another person I
goal.
met during Stream
Let's go.
Raiders. Also a math teacher, teaches in a high school, I believe. So she's off for the summer. She's got huskies herself.
OMG,
So,
we completed our
OMG
followers
indeed.
goal.
I don't know what's happening
Let's
right
go.
now. You know what? I don't even know. OMG, we've hit our
OMG,
followers
we
goal forever
completed our
ago because
followers goal.
we're at 2188
Let's go.
and our goal was 2100. So I don't know. I think it's just making up for the last 88 times it didn't say we reached our follower goal. I'll see you
OMG,
guys
we completed
tomorrow.
our
Have a great
followers
rest
goal.
of your day. See
Let's
y'all.
go.
See you later, alligator. After all, crocodile. See you
OMG, we
later,
completed our followers
mashed
goal.
potato.
Let's go.
See you soon, macaroon. Say goodbye, pumpkin pie. Toodaloo,
OMG, we
kangaroo.
completed our
Catch you
followers goal.
later,
Let's go.
operator. Adios, cinnamon toast. See you later. Goodbye, butterfly.
OMG, we completed our followers goal. Let's go.
Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
OMG, we completed our followers goal. Let's go. OMG, we completed our followers goal. Let's go. OMG, we completed our followers goal. Let's go. OMG, we completed our